Now try to solve these problems. Find net force on charge A, where charge A is plus 4 microcoulomb located at A. B is plus 4 microcoulomb and the separation between is 200 centimeter. Now this C is plus 8 microcoulomb and again the distance is 200 centimeter. Similarly, one more question, fifth question is A is plus 5 microcoulomb, C is plus 5 microcoulomb and B is minus 5 microcoulomb and the separation between them is 1, 1, 1. That means it is equally, they are at the vertices of equilateral triangle. The question may be also asked that find the net force on a charge A if they are located at the vertices A, B, C or whatever it, and the charges will be there then. So you have to draw a diagram yourself and then solve it. So try yourself. I will just try to explain this question for your convenience so that you can try this one and you can solve it. So the answer fifth, force on A according to principle of superposition is force on A due to B plus force on A due to C, and there is no further charge, so we will stop over here. So first of all we have to find, again you cannot find the magnitude of FA unless you know the direction of FAB and FAC. So for locating the direction of FAB, wherever the direction of FAB, force on A due to B, because A is positive and B is negative, so this B charge will attract, so this will be the force on A due to B. What about the force on A due to C? That is, this is positive, so it is going to repel, so the pen is going to move this side, so this will be force on A due to C. Now, since the two vectors are not neither in same direction nor in opposite direction, so we cannot add their magnitude or subtract their magnitude directly as in the previous cases. So here we can go either for the parallelogram law or triangle law vector addition or some other method may be there. So that is by resolving the vectors into different components. So it is better to resolve. So here we can have two axes. One axis is this x-axis parallel to BC and the another axis is perpendicular to BC. So this you can say y-axis, this you can say x-axis. So this angle is how much? This angle is, कैसा ट्रायंगल है ये? इक्विलेटरल. और इक्विलेटरल का ट्रायंगल का एंगल कितना होता है? 30 डिग्री. एक बार सोच के बोलो कितना होता है? 60 डिग्री. करेक्ट. 60 60 60 180, सम 180 होना चाहिए. 30 से 90 होगा, नहीं हो सकता. तो this is 60 degree and this angle are which angle? These are known as, they are known as alternate angle. अरे नहीं भाई, कौन सा होंगे? Corresponding angle. So this is also 60 degree. Now this angle will be how much? If you have this angle is equal to 60, so this angle and this angle are which angles? Yes, this time they are alternate angles and they are equal, so this is also 60 degree. Now you can resolve this FAC along this, so this will be FAC cos 60 and here it will be FAC. I'll just rub it because you have already noted it, no issue. So this will be FAC sin 60. Similarly, if just resolve this FAB, so you will get here FAB cos 60 and this side it will be FAB sin 60. Now we have on the x, fx is FAB cos 60 and again FAC cos 60 in the same direction. So you can add them directly. FAC cos 60. Their magnitude you can add now. So this will be Fx. Similarly, Fy. One is in this direction and this again is opposite direction. So they will be subtracted. So it will be FAC sin 60 minus FAB sin 60. Now we will try to find out this. Magnitude of FAB is what? K QA QB upon AB square. Cos 60 is cos 60 half, then plus K QA QC upon AC square, again cos 60 is half. Now here you have K QA QB. All magnitudes of the charges are same except the positive and negative, but that we have already considered. So while we are dealing with the magnitudes, we are not going to take this negative sign again. So QA, QB, QC all are same. So that means this product and this product will be the same. So you can write it 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 common. And here it is half also you can take common. So here it is AB is 1 and then plus 1 by 1. That is also 1. This is 1 and this is also 1. So this will be 2. So this 2 will cancel out with this and you will get exactly Fx you can get 5 5s are 25 into 9. So 0.225 Newton. Now similarly you can find out Fy. So this magnitude and this magnitude are same. Sin 60 is same. So they will cancel out and you will get 0. So now Fa equals to, if it is Fx, if it is Fy, then what will be the net force? So that will be the Fa. So this force has to be Fx square plus Fy square. In this case, Fy will be 0, then directly Fa will be equal to Fx. But sometime if the magnitude of the charges is different, so this is not going to 0. So that time you have to apply this formula, and this way you will get again here. This is 0.225 whole square plus 0 square under root. So that comes to be 0.225 Newton. What about the direction? Direction itself is obtained, is visible here. It is parallel to CB. It is parallel to CB. But how to find? If it is not 0, then the force will be somewhere here. If the force is net force of these two is this side, so the force will be there. If the net force of these two is this side, then net force will be somewhere here. So what will be that angle? That angle is nothing but tan phi will be equals to Fy upon Fx, which you will find in the question number 4. So question number 4 you have to do like this. So that is, this time it will be Fy is 0 upon 0.225. So anything 0 divided by anything is always 0. So the angle is 0. Yani with the x-axis the angle is 0. That means it is parallel to x-axis, that means parallel to CB. So therefore Fa is 0.225 Newton parallel to CB vector. So this way, this will be the answer. CB vector along this this is the direction. So this way, the similar fashion you can do this. And one more question I'll give you for homework. That is sixth question. Find net force on A. The question is same. This time this is A. This is 1 meter. This is A 1 meter. This is 1 meter. For simplification of the calculation, this is plus 5 microcoulomb. This is plus 6 microcoulomb. This is minus 10 microcoulomb. This is plus 5 microcoulomb, or you can say 6 microcoulomb you can have, and just try to find out this force on A. So you will get this time this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So one more force will be there. Here are only two. 1, 2, then here will be 3 forces in this case. So you can just solve it. And there are maybe more forces there, then you can go for further. Now you can solve the question number 7. Find net force on charge A if QA equals to QB equals QC and equals to plus 4 microcoulomb, and they are situated at positions A 466, B 448 and C 246 respectively. The answer is Fa equals to 1.26 into 10 raised power minus 2 I minus K newtons.